One of my favorite things that 9 to 5 Google does is taking APKs from Google and digging into them and finding features, little hints of features that may be coming, in particular in this case, to Pixel devices very, very soon. Today, this article and this video is regarding something called the Personal Safety app, and it appears that Google accidentally pushed out an earlier build, a build that wasn't supposed to be made public to the public. 9 to 5 Google, of course, did exactly what they usually do with their APK Insight posts. They dug in and they found something very, very strange. If you don't know, the Personal Safety app generally has cool features like emergency sharing, safety check, and car crash detections on certain devices. Pixel devices and some other devices have access to this, but now it looks like they're going to be getting a pretty interesting new feature. Let's jump over to this article. Of course, link will be in the description. Go click on that link, give them a click, go give them some traffic for this reporting. They did the legwork here. I'm simply communicating it and bringing it to you. You can see in this image right here something interesting. It says their dash cam, because it appears as though Google might be prepping to bring dash cam functionality to your Pixel device. Maybe you've got your device already mounted there in front of you in your car. The camera's kind of facing forward already. Why couldn't it be sitting there filming forward, filming towards you as well, and potentially acting as a dash cam? It would be a really good dash cam potentially, because the cameras are way better than the cameras on standard dash cams. Now, there are some interesting tidbits here in this article, because evidently this feature appears to be almost fully ready to launch. While the dash cam is recording, they say your phone should be fully usable. So this is not just taking up your phone at that point. It can do all this stuff in the background. You don't have to really do a whole lot. You can basically have this thing start recording when a particular Bluetooth device is connected. So in my car, as soon as I get in and start it up, my phone's going to connect to my car itself, to the stereo system in the car. That could then trigger the dash cam to begin filming. They say here that the videos are automatically deleted after 3 days unless you save them, and they're only going to be about 30 megabytes per minute. So that should allow you to save quite a bit of this stuff without just completely filling up your phone. Now, there are some potential issues here, right? A lot of people don't have their phone mounted where it can see out over their dash. I, for one, do not have that. Mine will be staring at my dash. It would be able to maybe look at me through the front-facing camera. I also wonder, would the GPS be accurate enough to actually track your speed, and would that kind of thing be like admissible in court so you could like prove what speed you were going? I'm not really sure how accurate that is. Maybe that would be a thing. Who knows? If the functionality is good enough, it may be good enough to encourage you to mount your phone a little bit higher and to be able to use this thing as a dash cam. It's something that I would definitely consider switching out my phone mounting system in my car for, again, if this works well enough. Pretty crazy that very, very soon, should you, unfortunately, be in a wreck or be accused of having done something wrong on the road, it's possible that your Pixel phone may be there to bail you out of that situation. Guys, again, please go click the link in the description to 9 to 5 Google to go give them that traffic that they deserve. Like I said, that link is down below. I will see you on the next one. Subscribe for more content just like this. And until next time, stay nerdy, my friends.